everyone. How are you all? Children, I am your social science educator, Neelam Modi. We will start lesson number 2, My India. I welcome you back after a long vacation and revisions and everything. I hope you all are doing fine. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is lesson number 2, My India. We all know what is India. That is our country, right? Where we live. So let's see what are the features or what are the things or what are the facts which we do not know about India. It is very interesting chapter and I hope you all enjoy well. So let's start. Okay, so children, in this video, what are the things which we are going to learn is first is introduction. We will study what are the basic facts about the India that will be covered in the introduction portion. Then we will see peninsula. What is peninsula? Eager to know, right? Then we'll study ahead. Then we'll see about the neighboring countries of India. Which are the neighboring countries, where it is located, that we will see in this video. Okay, so let's start with the introduction portion of lesson number 2, My India. Okay, so children, India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is area wise we are talking about कि India का जो area है, it is the 7th largest country in the world. Next is that it is located in the continent of Asia. इंडिया कहाँ लोकेटेड है चिल्ड्रन? जो कॉन्टिनेंट होता है उसके अंदर कंट्री होता है, तो पूरे कॉन्टिनेंट का नाम क्या है? एशिया, एंड इट इज लोकेटेड इन दैट कॉन्टिनेंट. Do not forget, it is very important. I can ask in the fill in the blanks. India is located in dash continent. तो कॉन्टिनेंट कौन सा है इंडिया का? एशिया. Next one is there are many neighboring countries of India. मतलब इंडिया की बहुत सारी neighboring countries है. अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, चाइना, म्यांमार, श्रीलंका. neighboring countries है मतलब इंडिया के आजू बाजू ये सारी countries है. Okay, so we will see today which are the neighboring countries also. Okay, so these are the facts which we should know. Okay, now we will start with the peninsula. Children, what is the meaning of peninsula? Do you know, children, that India is surrounded by water bodies on its 3 sides? मतलब अगर आप मैप देखते हो इंडिया का, then you will able to notice that 1, 2 मतलब बॉटम में और आजू बाजू दोनों साइड, all 3 sides India is covered with the water bodies. बड़ी बड़ी water bodies है, right? That's why it appears blue in color in map also, right? So this is covered with the water bodies. Now, which are these water bodies? Arabian Sea at the west. If you see the west side, मतलब इसका जो west side अगर आप देखते हो, then which is the water body? Arabian Sea. Then Bay of Bengal at the east. East में कौन सा बड़ा सा water body है? Bay of Bengal. And it is south में कौन सा है? Indian Ocean. So all these 3 sides is covered with the water bodies. Let's see again. West में कौन सा है? Arabian Sea. Then east में Bay of Bengal and south में Indian Ocean. Children, it is very important. I can ask you which are the 3 water bodies which make India peninsula. So what you will answer? That Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Okay, and if I ask with direction, you have to write it with direction. So as we know now that India is covered with the 3 sides its water bodies. So that's why it is called peninsula. When our country is surrounded by water bodies on the 3 sides of it, it is called peninsula. Let's repeat once again. What is peninsula? That our country is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. It is called peninsula. Okay children, I hope you have been clear with the meaning of peninsula. Okay, now let's see what are the neighboring countries of the India. India की neighboring countries कौन सी है? Children, India share its boundaries with 8 countries. These countries are India's neighbor. मतलब अगर आप देखते हो कि यहाँ पे इंडिया का पाकिस्तान से पहले यहाँ पे इंडिया की बाउंड्री खत्म होती है, so these are the neighboring countries from this side. Then यहाँ पे खत्म होती है तो this is the neighboring country over here. So these are the neighboring countries. वैसे कितनी countries है? 8. How many neighboring countries are there? 8 neighboring countries are there. Let's see which are they. If we see at the northwest, ऊपर की साइड है मतलब नॉर्थ और साइड है मतलब वेस्ट. सो नॉर्थ वेस्ट पे कौन सी दो कंट्रीज है? अफगानिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान. दीज आर आउटसाइड द बॉर्डर ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया के बॉर्डर के बाहर है. सो दिस इज द नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया. विच आर एट द नॉर्थ वेस्ट. नॉर्थ वेस्ट में कौन सी है? अफगानिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान. ओके, देन इन द नॉर्थ, नॉर्थ में देखते हैं ऊपर की साइड पे तो नेपाल, चाइना एंड भूटान. These are the neighboring countries of India at the north. Which are at the north? Nepal, China and Bhutan. Okay? These are neighboring countries at the north. Now we will see about the east. East में कौन सी? East मतलब west का opposite. तो ईस्ट में कौन सा है? बांग्लादेश एंड म्यांमार. बांग्लादेश एंड म्यांमार आर द नेबरिंग कंट्रीज ओवर द ईस्ट. मतलब यहाँ पे अब इंडिया का बॉर्डर खत्म होने पर यहाँ से बांग्लादेश और म्यांमार स्टार्ट होता है, विच इज आउटसाइड द बाउंड्री ऑफ द इंडिया. That's why it is called the neighboring countries of India at the east direction. And next we will see about the Sri Lanka at the south. This we all know, right? That यहाँ पे south में कौन सा country है? Sri Lanka, and that is also considered as the neighboring country of the India. So I hope this is clear to you. What we have seen is the facts about India. Then we have seen that India is called as peninsula as it is covered with 3 sides from with the water, and then we have seen the neighboring countries of the India. Children, this is all about today's video. Now we will see the hard words. First is continent. Which is the continent of India? Yes, it's Asia. Then neighboring. Neighboring मतलब बाजू वाली country. Then located. Next is peninsula. Next one is boundaries. And last one is Myanmar. Children, these are the hard words which you have to maintain and write it in your book by giving heading lesson number 2, My India, and start with the hard words. Children, all the words to know and notes of this chapter we will send you at the completion of the chapter at the end of this chapter. Okay, till then study well. Stay safe at the home. I hope you enjoyed today's video and keep on learning and keep smiling. Till the next video, bye bye.